Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Dear students, how are you? Our lesson today, inshallah, it's about subtract decimal. How to subtract decimal. Like we subtract, as usual, just I need something more. What is this? Line up the decimal point first. Line up the decimal point first. How, teacher? Look at here. If you have here 29, just a minute. If you have 29 and 32 minus just 3 and 2. How to answer this one here? I will line up the decimal point first, like we learned in the addition. Yes. First, I will line up the decimal point above each other and put the equal sign and also put the decimal point. I will start 29 to write the whole number 29. Then the decimal places 32. Move to the next part. I have what here? Only ones place. So I will write 3 under the ones place. Attention for this point. And I have in the 10th place 2. Clear? Look here, I need to keep the place in the decimal point. Yeah, so I will hold here 0 to keep the place. Then I will make what I will subtract as usual. Always we start to subtract from the right side. 2 minus 0, 2. And 3 minus 2 equals 1. I have decimal point. 9 minus 3 equals 6. And 2 minus nothing here, then 2. Clear this? Let's move to the other page. On page 85. We will start to answer first. Number 3. Attention here. Here in 3 till 10, subtract the decimal. First, I will look at the decimal places. I need to hold any zeros? No, they are the same. Here 2 digits and here 2 digits. Then I will subtract as usual. Teacher, here 2 digits, but here 1 digit only. Okay, if you need to keep the place, you can put 0. But very important to keep the places in the decimal places. Okay, in the whole number, it's okay. Then start to subtract it from the right side. 2 minus 1 equals 2 minus 1 equals 2. Okay. So I will write here 2 minus 1 equals 1, sorry. And 8 minus 2 equals 6. Then I have decimal point. You should write decimal point. Subtract 6 minus 5 equals 1. And 1 minus nothing equals 1. So 11 and 61. Move here. Look at here. I have here what? Tens, hundreds. But here I have only tens. But I don't have hundreds. So keep the place, please, put 0. Then subtract as usual. 1 minus 0 equals 1. 2 minus 1 equals 1. I have decimal point, put the decimal point. 7 minus 6 equals 1. Clear? Let's choose another one different than this one here. I will move down. Yes. Look at number 7 here. It is the same, but it is in the horizontal way. So I need to change this way to be, yes, in vertical way. So I will rewrite this one. It's easier to subtract using vertical way. So I will line up the decimal point first. For number 7, I will enter number 7 down here, okay? For number 7, I will line up the decimal point. Number 7. Line up the decimal point above each other. I have 2 numbers, so I have 2 decimal points. And for the answer, or for the difference, start from the first part here, 56. And 8. in the 10th place. And here I have what? 2. Only 2. 2 under which place? The 1th place. Where is the 1th place? Here. So I will write 2 under the 1st place, and I have here 77 under the 10th place and 6 under the 100th place. Then I need to keep this place, yes, with 0. Then I will complete as usual. 0 minus 6 we can't, so take 1 from here. This becomes 7, and this becomes what? Yes, 10. 10 minus 6 equals 4, and 7 minus 7 equals 0. Very important to put it, please. 6 minus 2 equals 4, and 5 minus empty space or empty place equals 5. So the answer here is 54 and 400. 54 and 400. Here, it's answer number, which one different? So let's answer number 9. Okay, so I will start to write number 9 here. The first rule, yes, line up the decimal point above each other. I have 2 numbers, so I have 2 decimal points. So this is for the answer. Start from where? From the whole number, I will write 22. And 4 in the 10th place. Here I have 10 and 7 in the 10th place also. So I will subtract. I forgot to put here subtraction sign. 4 minus 7 we can't. So take 1 from this one here. So I will take from here 1. This become 1, and this become what? 14. Okay. Then 14 minus 7 equal 7. And here 1 minus 0 equal 1. And 2 minus 1 equal 1. Is it clear this point? Let's move to the other point down. It's the same idea, okay? Here you can, I will choose number 12 to answer it. But look here, this one different idea. Number 14. I will start to subtract from the right side. Okay, then what is? I need to hold 0. Okay, if you hold 0 here, then 0 minus 8, I can. This one become what? Become 8. And this one become 10. 10 minus 8 equal 2. And 8 minus 3 equal 5. 5 minus 8 equal, I can. So take 1 from here. This become 5. And this become 15. Right? Then 15 minus 8 equals 7. And 5 minus 3 equals 5 minus 2 equals 3. Is it clear? Okay. And all of them here the same idea. Just line up the decimal point above each other. Let's take another one. Like number 16 here. I will line up the decimal point above each other. Equal decimal point. I will start from 13. Then 9 in the 10th place. And here I have 3 under the 1st place. And 8 under the 10th place. 9 minus 8 equal 1. And 3 minus 3 or 13 minus 3 equals 10. Clear? Is it hard? No, very easy. We will complete this lesson inshallah together on class here inshallah. Thank you.